In today's episode, I install my first vent ever and I finish the van floor. Finally.
Don't forget to subscribe and like, and don't be shy, leave comment, please.
Morning guys, it's a super hot day today.
Day 24.
I'm measuring the frames for the vents. The girls want ice cream. Oh my god, look at this. It's so hot. We're dying. I'm awaiting a shipment with rubber butyl tape to put along the roof so I can even it out when I put the vents in the uneven ceiling. So that's what's up today. Today is roof hatch day and
Day 25.
this is gonna be my hole in the roof. I've started with the cardboard piece I'm gonna use. I'm gonna cut this out. I'm gonna paint it on the roof, and then I'm gonna drill holes, and then I'm gonna use my jigsaw. Yeah, and I need to go get the mic for the camera. I'm tired today. I need a vacation from this van build. Yeah. Okay, so I decided that I need to go on the roof and do this anyway because working like this is gonna kill me. So I climbed up, I painted my square, and now I'm gonna go up there and drill some holes. Yeah, it's gonna be exciting. So I haven't said this, but I'm kind of scared of heights, so this isn't my favorite task, but it works. Not much left now. Looking good. I'm gonna need to get my vacuum cleaner. Look at this. While I'm demolishing the car, Maya has an art studio. So it's the mommy monster and the baby monster. Vad är det för djur?
Crocodile.
Crocodiles. Wow. Och där under då? What's that?
This is a lamb.
A lamb? Wow. You're so creative. I love it. And your print? So this is Maya's. And she's made animals.
A cat.
A cat?
A koala.
Koala? Rabbit? Kanin?
Canine.
Rabbit?
Rabbit. Lion. Elephant.
Crocodile?
Crocodile and tiger.
A tiger. Wow. Oh, yeah, and some feet. Love you. I officially got a hole in my roof.
No koala.
I measured correctly. It actually fits. Wow. I've sanded around here to remove the sharpie edges. I do recommend a steel file. Much easier. Now I'm going to put some butyl tape and then even out the grooves. So this has to be the same height as this. Oh, I need to put some rust primer on, of course. Here we go. put 4 lines of boutique tape. It looks like this. I think it's looking good. Look at my roof hatch. I'm gonna go up and put some liner around the whole thing, and then I'm done for today. Oh my god, I can't believe I actually installed my own vent all by myself. Oh my god. This morning and last night we had heaps of rain, and to be honest, I'm not very confident of my installation of the roof vent, but I haven't had the courage to go and check it out yet, so please, please, please say that my construction held. Okay. And my floor is dry, I think. I think the vent actually held. Oh, thank you. I'm going to try and get along with the floor. I have lots of work to do. I would like to put on one more coat on the material I'm using to complete the floor, because the floor has some holes in it. So it's getting late. I finished my pieces of wood. I painted them. They're dry. Now I'm gonna attach them with spray foam. And the aim tomorrow is actually starting and finishing setting the carpet. So in the morning I'm gonna have to go buy some glue and a proper knife. Yeah, that's the plan. Day 27. So I'm gonna cut the foam, tighten some screws, put in some more screws, vacuum, and then glue. Everything is prepped and done. I've mounted screws in every stud. Before putting down the floor, I took pictures of where the studs were so I could easily find them, and I made markings on the floor as well. So now it's time to put down the carpet and fit it and cut it. Look at this. This is a nice color. Looks really nice. And it's not too dark. So this is gonna be gorgeous. Kom och kolla tjejer! Look at this beautiful floor. I've cut it with a knife. And now I'm gonna glue it. So we'll see if the glue I bought actually works. This is gonna be the most exciting part. In the next episodes, we build the security wall, I insulate the doors, and I might have become a bit too confident. It worked! It's perfect! This is so easy. Everybody has to build a van. Seriously. How hard can it be? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and please leave a comment. Don't be shy.